How to earn money on Shopify. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that's ever increasing in popularity, especially as consumers shift to online shopping more and more. Whether you own an existing small business that you are looking to bring online, or if you are looking to make money with Shopify through a new venture, there are a few different ways to do it. So, what is Shopify? Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms that enables merchants to sell products online through an intuitive interface that integrates with most existing website hosts, providing a seamless transition for a company's homepage straight to their digital storefront. For sellers, setting up and operating a Shopify store is typically straightforward and hassle free. Uploading products only takes a few steps, and monitoring product inventory can be done right from within the platform. Plus, you won't have to manage any of the technology required to facilitate payments, as that's all streamlined with the Shopify platform. Shopify isn't only designed to make online transactions possible. However, the company also offers a point of sale or POS system, which means you can manage all of your digital and in person payments within one unified system. You can also stay on top of inventory management across digital and brick and mortar stores with the Shopify system. And perhaps more important than ever, you can also accept online orders and fulfill them in stores as necessary. Shopify plans and pricing. Like most e commerce platforms, Shopify has a tiered pricing structure. Each tier is designed to provide a range of services that match a typical business's needs, helping its customers pay for the services they need without having to pay for those that it may not use. Shopify Lite. If you are just testing the waters of selling online, Shopify Lite must be the right move for you. This plan only costs $7 per month and lets you add buy buttons on WordPress, Squarespace, Tumblr, Tumblr, and a host of other web pages. This makes it easier to set up an e-commerce presence with minimal fuss. You will also get a card reader for in-person purchases, and all in-person credit card transactions come with a 2.7% fee. Additionally, Shopify Lite can integrate into your business's Facebook page to allow customers to buy your products through this platform. Shopify offers support for Facebook Messenger chats through your online store as well as your Facebook page. Better yet, customers can even buy products directly through chat and assess their orders in real time throughout the fulfillment process. Basic Shopify. The next plan is Basic Shopify. which is suitable for many merchants with e-commerce needs that are greater than what Shopify Lite includes. For $30 per month, basic Shopify enables businesses to create an online store with unlimited products, making it easy to bundle goods and services in different combinations. As with Shopify Lite, basic Shopify also includes a card reader and POS solution. Online transaction fees cost 2.9% plus $0.30, while in person purchases have a 2.7% fee. If you use any other payment processor other than Shopify payments, you will incur an additional 2% fee on top of the fees associated with that processor. Standard Shopify. The standard Shopify subscription costs $79 per month and builds upon everything included in a basic Shopify plan by including 5 staff accounts, gift card support, and performance reports to help track sales and transactions. This plan also comes with a POS terminal that throws in barcode scanners, receipt printers, staff pin, logins, and integration with other POS systems. Standard Shopify subscriptions come with credit and card transactions of 2.6% plus $0.30 for online transactions, 2.5% for in-person transactions, and a 1% fee for the use of third-party payment processors. Advanced Shopify. Advanced Shopify is designed for high volume businesses that need tons of support and robust features to help keep their customers coming back. This plan comes with all of the features of the previously mentioned subscriptions and includes logins for 15 employees and more detailed sales and performance reports. You can also use advanced Shopify to calculate third party shipping rates to display to customers when making their purchase.